Hello friends, today we are going to study about spring balance. We know the spring balance, this is an instrument. You can see here, this instrument is used to measure the force, and the unit of force we know it is a Newton. So in this spring balance, the labeling is done here in the Newton. When we have to measure any force or any weight is simply the force. When we have to measure any weight, that substance is hanged here, and when we put here that substance, this according to its weight, this will pull this structure, and when it pulls, we can see another structure here that is moving according to the weight, that is moving, and wherever it stops, that indicates the particular force. Here in this labeling we can see the particular force. Suppose I am applying here some force, then how much force I am applying, up to how much this structure is pulled, according to that value I am applying the force here. Suppose I have to measure the weight of this instrument, okay, then what I will do, I will put this instrument on this hanging structure, okay, and if I have to measure its weight, then I will see in this labeling, I have kept here the weight. According to that weight, this structure have moved down. Then where it is indicating, suppose it is indicating at 0.75, it means that the weight of this instrument or the weight of this substance is 0.75 Newton. Okay, in this way, by using this spring balance, we can find out the different types of force or different types of weight of the